How to log in to Quora account. So if you want to log in to Quora account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And now in the search bar you have to search for Quora, and then after searching, here on the first search you will have www.quora.com. You can click on that. Now it will take you to the login page, so you can continue with your Google account, or you can also continue with your Facebook, or you can also continue with your email address. So here on the first blank you have to enter your email address, and then on the next blank you have to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot password and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your password and then you have to click here. And after that, after entering your credentials, you have to click on login. So that's it. That's how you log into your Quora account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.